Hey y'all, it's me, Sheldon Strickland from the Supply Chain Automation Workforcehub team. Now, as we reflect on National Apprenticeship Week, we wanted to highlight an Apprenticeship Accelerator event which took place in Indiana. The Supply Chain Automation Workforcehub team partnered with Ivy Tech Community College in Lawrenceburg, Indiana's Department of Workforce Development, and Early Childhood Workforce Connector to bring together over 70 stakeholders, industry leaders, educators, and also workforce organizations.
Ivy Tech serves as Indiana's engine for workforce development, offering affordable degree programs and trainings that are aligned with the needs of local communities, along with courses and programs that transfer to other colleges and universities in Indiana.
Workers who completed an apprenticeship saw a 49% increase in their earnings. And for women, that number is as high as 65%.
I'm Richard Paulk, the Commissioner of the Indiana Department of Workforce Development. We're here today to talk about apprenticeship, essentially. So this is a National Apprenticeship Week. This is the 10th year that this event has been going on. I'm down here from Indianapolis representing the Holcomb administration to come and give just a few comments about some of the work the governor's been doing in this space.
If you were to give someone thinking about going into a registered apprenticeship program advice, what would it be?
Don't think you know it all. Don't think you know it all, and know why you're there. Put the effort in.
So from a wastewater standpoint, don't let the bad days scare you. Every wastewater plant has at least one shower and a washer and dryer on site. You don't need to explain why. Do not let the bad days scare you because they are few and far between.
Hello, my name is Marion Grant Whitlock, and I am the Early Childhood Education Liaison with the Early Childhood Workforce Connector. We are a U.S. Department of Labor industry intermediary, and we are charged with developing, launching, and expanding registered apprenticeship in early childhood education.
I'm gonna go to like where they're doing any type of STEM, any type of engineering classes. We have all kinds of people that, oh, I want to be an engineer when I grow up. Oh, okay, well, are you going to be able to make it through that school?
The question, how do you really pick the best career path for someone? How do you know they have an aptitude for these apprentice programs?
It really depends on where you're recruiting, and as an employer or as the owner, the sponsor of that RAP, what is it you're looking for? So we have some that go, you know what? I'm going to go in there like, I really want to work with the youth. I want to bring them in. I'm going to create this pipeline.
During this event, we not only explored the opportunities for women in the workforce, but also discussed the significant increase in registered apprenticeships across Indiana.
Come on, stand. If you can imagine the state of Indiana, we have 3 to handle the whole state. Started up 10 years ago. We registered 10,787 apprentices. So in the 10 years we've done it, we've a little bit more than double.
My name is Shannon Hollis. I am one of the regional directors for the Office of Work-Based Learning and Apprenticeship. You have been hearing all day them allude to this grant, this program, that partner. We're going to sit there and talk about what some of the language is, and then we're going to tell you how to get in touch with those partners who are the subject matter experts in each and every one of their areas.
And also the fact that all of these different partners came together to collaborate on this work, I think that in and of itself sent a message.
And there we have it. Guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Now, before we sign out, please don't forget to engage with us by visiting our website at www.scworkforcehub.com. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.